Welcome to Webreding, Toronto's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A used 2023 Ford Edge. This Ford is powered by all-wheel drive, intercooled turbo premium unleaded I-4 2.0L/122 engine, automatic transmission, and has 7,155 kilometers. Experience superior comfort and performance in a 2023 Ford Edge. This gently used beauty boasts advanced tech, impressive fuel efficiency, and unmatched safety features. Make every journey memorable with the Ford Edge, a real steal for discerning buyers. This used Edge comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated front seats, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Ford Edge is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control (ESC), traction control, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.